Hello, campus. It's a pleasure to be speaking to you guys in person. My name is Daniel Adeni, and I'm your host for the ABCD Bootcamp. We have had a lot of interaction in the past week in the preliminary course. In most of the videos, I've been the one voicing it and explaining to you guys how those. We did a part on Git and GitHub, and we went to the Monagree developer platform, and we did some software tools and so on and so forth. So, guys, excited to be seeing you guys in person. I haven't really had the opportunity to shoot a live video like this, so it's really awesome to actually be able to show my face to you guys. I hope we meet sometimes in Futa and we're able to like exchange words. Now, not in a rude way, by the way. Yeah, let's get to it. So everything you have been doing so far has just been preliminary. They're not really part of the main ABCD bootcamp, which is to teach you how to develop e-commerce and logistic websites. I'd like to give a shout out to our partners, especially the Center for Entrepreneurship, for being a part of this journey. Now, what you'll be doing this week is where the real work begins. This week, you'll be taking through HTML. HTML is like the foundation of everything we do in the ABCD Bootcamp. In the website development part, you can't do it without HTML. So pay attention to every part of the course you're going to be learning today, because you're going to be learning this way, because it is very, very important. No matter what you end up learning in the future, maybe you learn React, you learn Vue, you learn Angular, you learn any other framework, any other web framework, it will always reference HTML. So if you are not already good in HTML, or if you don't know HTML already, this is an opportunity for you to pay attention. So I highly recommend paying absolute attention to the courses coming up this week. Now, by the end of the week, you guys will have to do a practical session, and it will involve you building a blog. Now, this is the first step in our own part of assessing what you can do. You guys already know what Monagree is. We connect developers to businesses that need them. We give developers the tools to build the website for these businesses. And we can't do it for everybody. So there are about 160 applicants to the ABCD Bootcamp. Excited about that. Although most of you haven't really completed preliminary, please do so you won't be booted out of the program. And we are looking for every way we can use to reduce that number to somewhere around 50, 20. We don't know exactly now. We're going to be connecting developers to businesses around Akure. We need to make sure that these developers are really, really good. They are committed and they can deliver. So please always complete your course on time and always do well in the practical sessions. Build an excellent blog and put all your effort into it. Now, before I close this video, I would like to give a shout out to those of you that have shown me your score. I've seen 85, I've seen 90 something, I've seen 100. I mean, the guy didn't announce it, but I saw it. We can see everything from our dashboard here. You got 100 in the quiz. Awesome work. And also, those of you that got 85 and you got 90 something, awesome work. And I would like to implore you guys to take advantage of the opportunity we gave you in the preliminary. We did not time the quiz, and we did not put any sort of limitations on it. So you had the opportunity to maybe retry the quiz, or maybe do it as many times as you want. Normally we would time the quiz. Final quizzes should be timed. We can give you 1 minute for it. Those of you that scored 80 something, I can see that some of you use about a minute on it. So you need to be very careful with the time you spend on this thing. Take your time for the preliminaries, but for the HTML, you won't have as many time. Don't forget, each chapter in your course has a quiz section. So go ahead and go to the quiz section of that chapter and practice it as many times as possible. Use the helps we explained in the premier event. So do it very well there. It's exactly the same question you probably meet in the final quiz. So make sure you take the final quiz very seriously. You might meet exactly, you might not meet exactly, so I don't really know. And before I close this, I'd like to thank you guys for being committed to the program. We are doing our part to deliver an excellent bootcamp. You are doing your part to deliver an excellent website at the end of the bootcamp. So we're looking forward to working with you in the future. We really want to help you grow as a developer, and we want you to join our team at Monagree, so we can build awesome stuff for businesses all over Nigeria.